Here's my review on the ROMULUS Hilt from Exegol Outpost. This hilt starts out at $205. You can choose between RGB, SN Pixel, Golden Harvest V3, or Profi 2.2 board. I went with the Golden Harvest V3 and the 32-inch blade. Came out to be about $285. This saber comes with an operation manual. This is important to read. A blade plug, charging cable, an Allen wrench, 5 set screws, and a 32-inch blade. And there are 3 screw holes in the hilt to hold the blade in place. Look at this thing. It's like a mix between the hilt of Obi-Wan's in The Phantom Menace and Cal Kestis from Jedi Fallen Order. To power on this saber, all you have to do is tap the button once and then ignite the saber. To power it down, just hold it down. Access the Saber Editor by pointing the blade down, holding the button, and twisting the hilt. Now it'll prompt you to select the mode you want to edit by tapping the button. When you find the one you're looking for, hold down the button, then slowly scroll through the menu by rotating the saber clockwise. Fully customize every aspect of the saber through the Saber Editor. Once you have made the edits that you want, hold the button down again to save the changes you made. Continue this process through all the different modes to fully customize a saber that best suits you. Follow the manual and refer back to it and this video if you need when customizing yours. This saber is very well balanced and perfect weight. For volume control, before the blade is ignited, point the saber down, then release it. Now rotate it clockwise to turn the volume up and down. It has this really awesome feature that the blade acts as a volume monitor. You can see the level while adjusting the volume in the LEDs of the blade. By holding the button down and doing the stab ignition, it will tell you the power level percentage.
70% left.
Access the sound font menu to change fonts. Start by pointing the blade up before igniting it. Hold the button till it says
Sound menu.
Tap the button to skip through 10 fonts at a time. Once you have made the edits that you want, hold the button down again to save the changes you made.
The classic villain.
Son of darkness.
The only issue I've found so far is the screws at the top of the hilt that hold down the blade protectors come loose very easily, as well as the buttons on the saber. This is by no means a deal breaker. It should be an easy fix. It is now time for a spin test. To charge this saber, you have to unscrew the bottom half of the hilt to reach the charge port. Overall, this was a great purchase. I'm pretty happy with it, and I'd say if you're looking to level up your saber game, definitely consider the Golden Harvest V3, and you will not be disappointed. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for checking it out, and the links to this saber will be in the description below. Let me know what you think about this saber in the comments. Consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.